Boys, we're back at it again with another market recap. Today is 4/9/2026. Coming into the day, we're in a higher time frame bullish trend, and we have a bullish SMT off of this April 8th at 1400 low. So coming into the day, I was bullish. I didn't trade today yet again. Price just super choppy. Price is super choppy, and it didn't establish a clear direction. So coming into the day, we're in bullish order flow, and then we break 5-minute structure to the downside on NQ. Yes, on the other hand, our lagging index on this bullish SMT was actually in bullish order flow. So what I was thinking here is this leg down where we broke was manipulation. Because we ended up pushing very strongly bullish. From there, I was like, okay, let's wait for a retracement. And then we got this pullback. This pullback ended up closing super deep. Especially we closed deeply below equilibrium. And then there was a possible long on our more bullish index right here when we broke structure. So this would have been the position. Break, trade up to Asia highs to invalidate a bearish SMT that we had. However, the reason I didn't take this is because of how deep the close was, and markets weren't aligned. We were in bearish order flow on NQ, bullish on ES. I wasn't going to jump into anything, and I'm very glad I didn't. What could have set the bearish bias here, which I think whoever took shorts really gambled on bias, because we could have easily made a 5-minute SMT off this leg and then pushed higher. The reason I didn't trade was because of choppy, and I'm really glad I didn't. But this could have been a short entry. We pushed in this 5-minute. Pushed in the 5-minute, and then we broke 1-minute structure on this candle, or inverse the gap on this candle. So it would have looked something like this. Once we inverse, stops at this high, targeting this 30-minute low for 1.5. But again, this was a great setup. This would have been a great short setup had we been in bearish order flow here, because we swept out the draws. We made potential bearish SMT off Asia highs, and the draws to the upside weren't great. So this was really an issue of bias, and I was right. The higher time frame didn't deliver bullish. But overall, yeah, it was just an indecisive bias reason. It wasn't that there was no entry. It was an indecisive bias. So that's why I didn't trade. I'm glad I didn't. I almost took that long there. And then the short, I really wasn't even in tune with the shorts, because I really thought this was going to make a bullish SMT. But regardless, I wasn't going to take it because I wasn't confident. And for good reason, because as you can see, we obviously didn't deliver the bullish bias, and I'm glad. But anyway, that's my market recap. I'm going to go into back testing. Going to be doing, I believe, 2 weeks. I wonder when my oh shit, I'm done. Damn, that's crazy. 0 days remaining. So I'll start on July 1st. Let me just run this shit out. Monday, July. Perfect. July 1st is a Monday as well. Alright. Show me analytics. What? Oh, I'm on the 5-minute. Beautiful. This is a horrible, by the way. 48% win rate. 69 trades. That's pretty terrible, but it's alright. I'm gonna take a picture of all this stuff too. Damn, that's terrible. Just looks so shitty. I'm excited to see what the next shit brings. New session. Just been titling all this shit manifesting. August, September, October, November, December, January. Beautiful. Is that 6 months? Hopefully. July 1st. Oh. July 1st, 2024. Oh. Okay. Beautiful. Yeah, Loki like ES on the right and NQ on the left. You could do it in the streets. You can do it. Wait, it's July 1st. Yeah, okay. July 4th is coming up. So gotta remember that's a bank holiday. Oh, I forgot it does that shit. So I'm not gonna get the full month. Womp womp. Right, yeah. Starting on July 2nd. Three. This is gonna be such a good 6 months. I'm so ready to do this shit. Blue, no, red. Red, blue, gray. Gray. Could do it in the streets. Big bullish SMT. Potentially bullish SMT. 1800. Bearish trend, obviously. Depends really on market opens. We're gonna have to see a big bullish push to want to take longs. I feel like we're gonna want to trade away from the high resistance liquidity, but we haven't determined price wants to move away just yet. Yeah, these are those lows, and then this is our next significant draw. Definitely gonna be bullish. Yeah, great push. Okay. Taking out these draws kind of sucks. So this is a super high time frame SMT, and I think we want to trade away. It says previous day high. 100%. So yeah, we're gonna want to trade Asia highs. It's gonna be determined on a 5-minute gap, but I'm way more bullish than bearish. That's it. That sucks. It really does. Took out basically all the draws to the upside. And now we're making such a big bullish push, I would argue we're overextended. Let me see though. It's super early as well. There's no shot I would want to take longs after taking out all this shit. Let's see what markets. Dude, let's see if we break 5-minute structure. Definitely potential to move lower. I believe that. Look at news. Yeah, we had 10 a.m. news. Trade down to like market open lows potentially. All right. Yeah, we're just accumulating around this high. It definitely seems like price wants to move higher. When we like accumulate around a draw, I feel like price doesn't really actually want to reverse off of it, because normally it would sweep and then immediately reverse. Let me actually take trades, bro. hopefully, I'm pretty sure this month is good. Because I back tested this month before. I think I performed well, really well actually. Let's see if I'm as good as I say I am, or think I am. Gray. Bunch of news, FOMC meeting minutes later. Big push out. Yeah, okay, we have a bullish SMT of Asia lows, and that's definitely going to confirm. I'm super bullish. And we left relative equal highs, London. Yeah. Hopefully we get bigger push so that we get a better entry. Definitely didn't push in the 5 minute there. Bro. We didn't break on either. That sucks. That really sucks. I really wanted to take something within here, but we didn't have a gap or break structure, so we broke on this candle, but by then it's way too late. Still good potential. It's still early as well. We have better upside potential here, but they're still really far away. Actually, no. This 4 hour high is really close. Data came down and filled the gap. Potential bullish SMT. If data created a bullish SMT, even though this is our lagging, we're more bullish here. I feel like the bullish trend is so strong that we're in the higher time frames aligning. We did just sweep a draw, so got to be careful with that. Okay, I want to retrace in the gap and then break out of it. That'd be, oh, this is just break. Huge rejection. All we need is a break, and I'm longing. We didn't inverse the gap, so still holding it, but okay, I'm longing here. Sucks that we left like equal lows, but or low key I can data highs and then these highs. Kind of scares me that we just took this draw, but data created a retrace 5 minute SMT and we're still maintaining bullish structure, no sign of real reversal. Okay, of course. We never ended up breaking to the downside. Filling this 1 minute imbalance while making a potential bullish SMT is crazy. Inverse the gap. Hold on. We're literally still maintaining bullish structure on Q. Bro, I really want a long still. This is crazy that I went along this really badly. This, we broke 5-minute structure. Didn't quite inverse the gap here. Oh, we did it. Everything I said we would. Break. Bro, like this. This looks like a great long, bro. I'm not gonna take this because it's way too late, but it does look great. And we did push higher. So this trade solely based off the trend. I wasn't too upset with that. Stop texting me, bro. It's pretty confident. What is this? Oh, it's July 4th. Jeez, and that's CPI too. Oh, that's from my chair. Part from my chair. It's on the floor. Alright, let me lock in, bro. Red. Says Asia low, so yeah, we just swept that. Huge. It's a real like doji from data. What news do we have? Non-farm. That's not CPI. Alright, we're at all-time highs. Higher time frame bullish came down, making bullish SMC. I'm just gonna want to trade back higher. I'm not gonna lie. Okay. Looks like we're just gonna take them. I've seen this shit so many times. As soon as market rips, you just come down and take everything. Data lows is now high resistance after filling. Yeah, I mean, this can't be more bullish. Please give us a retrace. Please. Oh, yes. I'm gonna take something, even if Mexican. Of course, you don't leave a gap. It's so bullish, bro. It's so obvious. Oh, even better, bro. Relative equal highs, and we're filling in this 5-minute. This is the most obvious bullish day I've ever seen. Oh, huge imbalance, which sucks. Look, you want to take an entry premature. Oh, and we have a 5-minute SMT. Oh my gosh, bro. I should just take this. 30 seconds. Nope. Gotta wait. Alright. I'm gonna... Bro, I should have just taken that. Stops below this gap. At the gap. I expect price to continue straight up. Order. Save and journal. Yeah. I mean, that couldn't have been a more obvious day, bro. What was the R? 0.95? That sucks. Early, obvious, longs, 30-minute SMT, 1 minute inverse, higher time frame, SMT paired with a 4-hour gap fill, stronger, very strong, high time frame uptrend with data highs above and relative equal from off market open dip. I wonder if we're gonna get some sort of reversal. Cause like I low-key would not mind taking a short, bro. Like this looks so bearish now. But nah, I won't take a short. Yeah, the higher time frame's bullish. I don't know what I'm talking about. 30, bam, 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 bam. Alright, that's basically a break-even week. Still at all-time highs. Less fortunate. All these stacked up draws. Still near all-time highs, I should say. These are all great low resistance draws. We also have London lows. Took highs here. We'll probably end up trending up. I might. Nah, I don't use the fib extensions. So trading at all-time highs, I never. I won't really ever consider trading if we're at all-time highs. Is that equal lows? Low 61.75. No, this is actually Asia low. What? Wait. Low 610.75. Low. Oh, it is equal lows. It's an insane draw. Bro, I feel like price has got to draw lower. We have all these crazy ass low resistance draws and a possible SMT. But only market open can tell. We might just print straight up. Okay, that's kind of good. But it's also not because we didn't get a bearish push on. Yes. I feel like, bro, we gotta come down a little bit. Maybe we already filled the 4 hour. I don't know. This is a straight bullish. Like you'd think price would wanna not even like necessarily come to EQ, but give some sort of relief. I just want more bearishness, I guess. Okay, that sucks. We just took our draws. Still have more. And we're not looking like we're gonna reverse here either. What? Oh, this should be here. Yeah, that really sucks that we took the draws. I think, okay, we have potential 5-minute S&T. All I would really like to see is price break structure on here. Okay. Never fucking mind, man. So really bearish. I don't know why I'm so convicted and bearish right now. Judas swing. Judas swing. It's a patty swing, bro. Yeah, I mean, short here. I would never take this. Short stops. This is the worst R I've ever seen. I actually do like what I saw though, because we have this 5-minute. Oh, that's gotta close bearish though. Bro, we're respecting the 1 minute too. I just would want. This is all I really want. I'm just gonna wait for the 5-minute to close. So 1 more minute if we inverse this 5-minute. Beautiful. We inverse the 5-minute. We're still in this 1 minute gap. All I want is a break. All I want is a break. Okay. Why are we more bullish on NQ now? Doesn't make sense, man. Pack it up. We're not in the 1 minute anymore. It's getting late. I really want shorts, bro. We're still in the 1 minute here. We broke structure. I'm gonna see. Oh my. Okay. Got some sort of conviction lower. Now fill this 1 minute. Filling a 1 minute. Is this better to trade on here? No, we don't have good draws. Jeez, man, you're just really chopping, aren't you? Yeah. This is where I would take my entry. The whole day we just look super bearish, bro. This isn't super confidence, but like, bro, we're bearish here. Filled the 5-minute. Super bearish on ES, and then we finally gain conviction through this. Gotta inverse the 5-minute. Yeah, this is too choppy to take. I'm just so convicted in shorts for some reason. We swept the external high. The problem is we did sweep those lows and possibly I'm not taking this, but looks. Oh my gosh, bro. I'm just gonna fucking pull the gun on some of these. I'm just gonna fucking I'm just pulling the trigger on these from now on, because I only take A+ setups, and most of these setups, man, they're ending up playing out. Of course, I don't even want to see market. Powell testifies. I'm just gonna skip to 10. Yeah, there's nothing for me here. Unless we reverse. Swept all these highs. It's on the 5-minute. Mark out 9:30. Okay, we swept out all those highs. We have external lows. Extremely bearish. I mean, we swept the external highs. Yeah, we didn't break, but our lows are very close. We did take Asia lows. No, we didn't. Yeah, we did. No, we didn't. Asia lows are way down there. We did sweep this low. And we took these highs. I mean, market open. Short. not opposed. I don't really care that we didn't break 5 minute. Nah, that doesn't follow my strategy. What am I saying? I'd have to wait. I did manipulate though. Bro, this looks like such an easy ass short. Like just judging solely based on how market structure looks. We retraced and broke back down. And we made a 1 minute SMT as well. Nah. I'm just gonna wait for the indexes to align on the 1 minute SMT. So if we break here, then okay, we did break. That's where I'm gonna take my short here. Stops above this high, it's higher risk. Yeah, this is good. I'm actually very happy with this. I don't even. What time is it though? Because I gotta make sure it's not that close to Powell testifying. I'm low-key just gonna take it profits at this low because Powell testifies so soon. Jesus, bro. Okay. Bearish SMT off that high. Never enter bearish order flow, which is like kind of the unfortunate thing. We're still of course we get the break right there, bro. Hopefully pray for a retrace. We tapped in that 1 minute, bro. What the hell?
Did you try this? Dad's saying I need a new razor because this is too powerful.
It's fine.
Just shave with it. Tell me if it hurts.
Does it hurt?
You have to move with it.
Bro, it's fine.
No, put the flat both sides.
You don't put it flat.
Yeah, I told you to put it flat.
Well, then don't, because it's clearly shaving mine.
It doesn't hurt you.
No. Did Dad not try it?
Dad did try it and he said it hurts him.
No, it doesn't.
With flat, it's told you to put it flat right here.
It's fine, I believe you. Get a new razor then.
Yeah, does it hurt?
No. Show my... Thanks. I don't know why I want shorts so bad. We just swept and higher time frames just extended bullish, bro. We need a good enough retrace. All I'm waiting for is bearish confirm. Oh my gosh. I'm so ass at predicting this shit. Like, why do I want a short right there? Bro. It's just a matter of price not delivering right away. I knew where market wants to go. It wasn't an A+ setup, and I took it. Again, I'm not upset with that trade. Market was overextended, bullish. Happy with the trade, just did not come down at entry. Really should have waited for prices to break unit structure on both by the time. Alright, I'm gonna win every other day this week. Watch. Another Powell testifying? What? Tuesday? Huh? Oh my gosh, I probably just skipped. No. This song's ass. Why isn't market going, man? What is happening? Alright, I guess it's there now. So confused what's happening. Oh. Guess you just don't have data from. I don't know what's going on. Why is it fucking. Why is the audio. Whatever. No music. I gotta lock in anyway. Easy. My beast turnaround. I had to tell you something. Like, what is going on right now? Oh. So this just jumps to Tuesday for some reason. Nasdaq's fucked. I don't know why I'm even on here. But no. Jumps to Tuesday at. What? I'm genuinely so lost. So this should be Monday. This should be Tuesday. What was I doing, bro? I'm so lost. Is my head fucked? What's going on? Oh my gosh, bro. This fuck ass market just pisses me off. External SMT off this high. Good draws lower, low resistance. We already got the retrace in the higher time frame. Gonna pay attention to the sweep reversal. Bearish order flow. We got this manipulation. Come market open. These highs. Yeah, that's beautiful. Bearish SMT off those. Break a structure. All I'm waiting for is like fill of this 5 minute. Beautiful. What sucks is that. Okay, are these equal lows? If they're relative equal though. Bullish. Okay, good. Now bearish. Inverse is 1 minute. Of course we took it. We're making a bullish SMT, which not ideal. Still in the 5 minute. Break structure right now. Right now. Okay. Validate the bearish SMT. Now it's about waiting for Powell to testify. Okay, just got on stage. Already took all those highs. I need to see bearish order flow on the 5 minute form. Or we're just gonna print all-time highs. And I don't even care if we do. We inverse this gap yet, so we can fill 5 minute. We didn't quite push up into it, but we did inverse that 1 minute. And where's our less bullish index? Who is more bullish? I'd say yes is more bullish. Break and inverse that gap, and we're binge chilling. Okay. Don't have a 1 minute SMT, bro. I'm gonna take this short, 1033. Later than usual. Swept the high. Inverse the 5 minute, retrace back into a 5 minute, and broke 1 minute structure and inverse the gap. With relative equal 30 minute lows, London lows, and Asia lows below. Let's see if it plays out. User. Review. Stops to break even. That sucks. Big time sucks. But decent trade. We are really just printing straight bulls in fucking July 2024. This is the biggest fucking wick I've ever seen, bro. Bullish SMTF Asia lows. It's definitely from data, CPI here. Huge reversal. I mean, what I would like to see is a manipulation of Asia lows, possibly another. Or no. Do we take them after? No, we took them before data, so we manipulated data lows here, not here. Let's just see where market opens. Bam. Okay. This is a 5 minute. Okay. So we're pricing a bullish SMT. We have the higher time frame SMT off. I really want to trade up to data highs. Bullish trend, higher time frame for the 4 hour. Bullish SMT, yeah, this is our lagging, leading, higher time frame wise, lagging, leading, lower time frame wise. Okay. Let's get a inverse of this 5 minute and break to the upside. Now we're already in bullish order flow in terms of a break, but a strong close would be best if we're bullish. I want to see continued print. Indexes are not aligned. I need to see NQ bull. Yeah. Filling this EQ, which if we are bullish, that this is an entry for longs to like 1 minute highs and such. But I really need to see that 5 minute break, so closure above this high on the next 5 minute candle. Alright, it's too late. And there's really nothing to trade down here. Wonder if you like just snipe this swing low. Okay. Bad day. All these sessions for me have just been so shit. Maybe it's because I'm in front of a camera. I'm actually gonna check something. Collections, backtesting stance. July I didn't make shit. Oh no, July had a spike on around the 16th, 15th. Yeah, so next week I'll bang out hopefully. Red. It's already 9, bro. Been doing this shit for a while. 47 mins, bro. Red. Bearish trend. Probably higher time frame draws. Not really. This is really the next one. It's actually right here. There's no way there's gonna be an entry today. I can just tell. Unless the only way there's an entry, because we are filling. We are filling this 4 hour and making a bearish SMT off of this high. Yeah. So if we get a reversal, we can target data lows, but it's the only way, and I just doubt that shit. There's no real draws. So equilibrium lies within this move. Or I could just mark out daily EQ. Which would be better. This is our leading bullish. I guess I'm bullish. We're not respecting one of those data has invalidated our one point of reversal, so. Yeah, I mean, then inverse, of course, the one candle that, yeah, no way I'm trading this. Of course, bro. Why? Like, genuinely. We also have this order block. Now we're overextended and I'm not going to be able to take anything. Like, bro. If this shit bangs, I will literally shoot myself on live. Just kidding. Just kidding. I might have to crop that out. I think that's against YouTube's TOS. Never do that. Never do that. This is way overextended bullish. If we don't come down and stop out this position, I quit. Holy fuck, bro. I gotta change my strategy. There's no way you print, and this is the only retrace you get. You don't want to fill in this 15-minute imbalance. You don't want to manipulate anything coming into the day. Makes no sense, bro. Alright, that does it for me, bro. I'm done for the day. Fucking shitty ass PA. I'm tired of it. I'm tired of it. You could do it in the streets. Could do it. Oh my, what are you? Fuck you, Effect. You know what? Fuck this, bro. Alright, boys, I'll catch you.